Most people using ChatGPT do not realize that there are many models to choose from, and knowing the difference is really important if you want to get the best result out of it. In this video, I'll explain each one of them using the Indian food because that's one of the best and tastiest way to remember each of them. Let's talk about the first ChatGPT model, which is GPT-4o, probably the most used ChatGPT model out there. Consider this as a full Indian thali. You would go to a restaurant and you're not sure what to order, and then you will pick thali because this has bit of everything. In terms of capabilities, it is multimodal. That means it supports text, images, and audio. It has real-time voice response capability, and it's a bit faster and smarter across different formats. Let's look into an example which would fit into this one. So I would just want to summarize an article, and in this case I want to generate one line caption for Instagram post. Now you can notice that it got me some response by looking into the article and also generated an Instagram caption for me. Next up is O3 model, which is good for high reasoning, and it is very strong in logic chaining. It is slower but methodical. O3 is like Dum Biryani. It takes time to cook, but it is full of flavor. You should use it when you need layered logic. Let's look into one of the example. Now this is your deep thinker model, which is ideal for strategy, reports, or maybe long form analysis. And as you can notice, this also shows you what exactly it is doing behind the scene. So same like human, like when we work on any task, we think what we have to do next. So you can visualize everything on your screen. And now you see it took around 2 minutes 9 seconds to think about it. So I would use it for research if I have to get some detailed information, not for my regular task. And this has given me some outline of what I was looking for. Next up is O4 Mini, which is great when you need structure ideas very quickly with a clean logic and fast turnaround time. Something like Idlis. Let's look into it through a demo. Now you see it still thought for a few seconds and gave you the response very quickly. So if you do not want it to do a deep research, I would say go for it. Next one is O4 Mini High, which is optimized for coding and visual logic. This is perfect for developers. And it is specialized in coding and charts, so this gives you enhanced code completion and visual reasoning. Something like crispy masala dosa with 3 chutneys. We all like dosa, right? Let's look into one of the example, how you as a developer can use it. Let's use this example to understand it. So when I give it this prompt, it thought for 6 seconds and it was able to give me this flowchart and also help me with debugging this code. So this is really helpful for the developers out there. Next one is ChatGPT 4.5, which is still in experimental phase. You can picture it as a big Rajasthani Thali, which has a lot of options. It has improved over the creativity task. It has a very strong writing capabilities and it is more context aware. I have used ChatGPT 4 for some time for writing these kind of articles and I can clearly see the difference. However, I'm still more inclined towards Cloudai when it comes to writing. But let's see when 4.5 is released in a public manner. Let's see if they can improve it. Next one is 4.1, which is good for coding capabilities. It gives you concise answer and it has a faster response. Think of it as a spicy paneer roll, which is tasty and it's perfect for developers. You should use it when you're using for faster response. It is best for clean, efficient code generation without much distraction here. But again, you need to validate what it gives you. That's true with all the AI tools out there. Next one is 4.1 Mini, which is a lightweight model and it is optimized for everyday productivity and speed. Think of it as a dal chawal or a rajma chawal, which is simple yet fulfilling. You could use it for small daily tasks like adding notes or preparing lists or even for short replies. Most people keep using the first ChatGPT model they find. But now you know the better, so pick the tool what you need for your job. It's like choosing the dish for the occasion. If you like this video, like and share. Also subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, Geo Smart, Geo AI.